In this video, we're going to learn how to add using regrouping or carrying. So if we had numbers like this, add 23 plus 9, you need to remember that the place values for these, this is the tens and this is the ones. And if we were to add those just by hand, so 23 plus 9, you'll remember that 9 plus 3 is 12. So you, in your head, say 9, 10, 11, 12. You add 3. So you can't put 12 here. That doesn't make sense in addition. So let's cross this out because it's incorrect. So how would you do that? Using blocks. So this is how this equation looks with blocks. So we have two tens here, so 20, and then this is 3 ones. So this is 23, and this is 9 ones for the 9, right? So we're adding 23 plus 9. So how would that look? We have the 9 blocks here added to the 3. So we've got 12 blocks down here. And we can't leave it like this, right? Because you can't have greater than 9 in the ones. So we would have to take these blocks and move them to the tens. So how would that look? It would look like this. We would now have 3 in the tens, so 30. And then we would only have 2 left here. So we would have we would have 30 here. So let's not do that. Let's show this differently. It would look like this. So we have 30 here and 2 here. So that would be the answer for 23 plus 9. So you wouldn't go through all that trouble each time you want to add something. So how would you do it normally? So you would have 23 plus 9. So we said it was 12. So we put the 2 here, but we carry the 1 to here from the 12. So the 1 from the 12 goes here on the 10 side. So then you add 2 plus 1, that gives you 3. So we know 23 plus 9 equals 32. And don't worry if you don't get that right away. Just rewind this video and watch it again. And then take a look at some of the other videos that go through regrouping without using blocks. And then it'll just start to make sense naturally. And remember, practice makes improvement.